just got second nationals. Booyah! No one ever beats BYU too. Did you beat it?
Yes, by a long shot. By a long shot.
You can sit here if you like, Mom. Or you can go read your book and have fun. Yeah, I'm not done for an hour. Go have fun.
Bye, nice to see you.
Thanks for coming, Mom. Do you see the red she has? I was like, why is everyone clapping? It's just a problem. I have a quick one. Okay, so I have 3 tens. And you can never have the answer in terms of you, right? Thank you guys so much. Like, that just means the world to me, and I know she's going to be, like, so excited about that forever. Okay, so my U is really 1 plus X. Ooh, yeah, we need to go a little bit faster, or I just need to, I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. Oh, and I got it on tape. Booyah! That's extra bonus points. Okay, and we're done. Yes, sir.
If we did this
With parts? Yep.
yeah, that should be good.
Yep, you would. That's why they'll tell you which way they want you to do it.
Oh, okay.
If they don't put bounds in, it will look extremely different. I have one of these on the, I did it both ways. Like I did a parts versus U sub page that I did both ways side by side. So you could see how they look really different. It's okay, guys. It's also on the answer key that I gave you guys. I have answers in U subs and in parts so that you could see either way. And it looks super different. But when they give you your test, if I could do it either way, it would tell you which way to use, or it would have bounds on it because you'd get a number when you come out with bounds, right? Yeah? Is that clear?
No.
Yes. If they give you bounds, it will come out to be the exact same thing. All right.
So,
Yes, dear.
if we had bounds, would we plug it in right now?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, Joe.
They were in the test. They were going to tell us which we need to use either sub or.
If it's a problem, you can do either way. They'll tell you which one to use. If it's something else, you know, you have to just know. Yes, sir.
Where did the 310 come from?
We added 1 to the power, and you have to divide by the new power. And instead of dividing by a fraction, I prefer to multiply by the reciprocal. So just flip the fraction.
Gotcha.
Cool? Okay, what I would like to do now is I would like to do 2 area problems where you have to set up the bounds yourself. I would like to do 1 volume of revolution, because that's all there will be on there, and I want to do that with an improper integral. And I want to do 1 left endpoint, 1 right endpoint, and I think then we'll probably be out of time, but if not, oh, trig, we need to do trig. Oh, fast. Good. We're going to do only 1 area.
Big
Yes.
eraser.
Green it is.
Big eraser.
Big eraser. Good deal. What am I thinking? Brandon's messing me on the front row. Here, you guys can erase those ones. Okay. You can erase the rest of the board too. Okay, so what we need to do is the area between 2 curves. I'm going to do a problem that's almost always on there. Yeah, Jared? My turn? Okay. Find the area. Look at her. Kylie is like rocking her.
Use
You guys are
green.
really funny.
Slavery.
Issue X. Okay, they didn't give me any bounds. I have to set up everything myself. If you have to set up the problem, you should never get negative answers. If they already set it up for you, it's okay to get negative or 0. Okay? You ready? No, we're not going to get a negative area, but you can get a negative integral, which just means most of the area is below the x-axis. But they had to set it up for you. talk about it later. Oh, I think my mom forgot her glasses. She'll be back. Okay. So, first things we do, we're going to set them equal to each other because we need to get the bounds.
Green marker.
Oh, I forgot. 2x equals x squared. Loving the green? Okay, we're very happy to use the green. It's my favorite color. Not this exact green, but I don't think they make colors or like markers in my green. Okay, so I put them equal to each other. I want it to be equal to 0 because that's easier. I'm going to factor an x out because I can. And I set each of those equal to 0. So I have x equals 0. Can you guys see if I'm writing down here? Yeah. And I have x equals 2. So that means I'm integrating from 0 to 2. And it doesn't matter which one I pick to be on top. I'm going to pick x squared because I'm pretty sure that's the wrong one to be on top. And I want to pick the wrong one to show you that it doesn't matter. Okay, you ready? Whew. Okay. I'm going to integrate x squared. What's the integral of x squared? 1/3 x cubed. What's the integral? And yeah, that's the one. Negative x squared. I'm going to plug in the 2 minus the 0. Now when I plug in 0, it actually is 0. But you got to be careful because a lot of times on the test, they'll have it be like you're plugging into like an x plus 1 to the 4th or something. That's not 0 when you put 0 in. Or you'll have e's. E to the 0 is not 0. Is that okay? Do you see how it can be tricky? Beautiful. So 2 cubed is 8/3. 2 squared is 4. I'm going to put it all in terms of thirds. So I'd have 8/3 minus 12/3. So I would come out with a negative 4/3. Can I have a negative area? That's when you do the absolute value. I want to caution you about doing absolute value here because people, if I do absolute value here or here, people usually think that means that they're all positive and they go through and make all the signs positive, but that's not true. You have to take the absolute value of the difference. So you have to subtract them first and then do absolute value. Is that okay, guys? Yeah. Great. Okay, so that's one that's almost always on the test. I mean, exact numbers always on the test. Yeah. Is that okay? I don't know. Say again. Yeah, the only time you use absolute value is when they're talking about area. Okay, we're going to do another one. You ready? Yes.
You're saying if you do it the other way, you're going to get 4/3, or you're not going to take the absolute value?
Yeah, if I do it the other direction, it would come out to be already positive 4/3. You, then no more.
If it's split into 2 parts and you have to take the area of both parts and one of them's
We're going to do that right now. You.
If you're not doing the area, how do you know when you need to have the value? Like if you mix up with what's on top and the bottom.
That's still area. Find the area between 2 curves. Okay,